with Subramanian Swamy, who claims that Sushant was murdered.
BJP MP Subramanian Swamy claimed on social media that Sushant Singh Rajput was murdered and shared a list of probable evidences along with his remarks to support the theory. Swamy remarked that the location, length of ligature mark on the neck did not match with the cloth used. Swamy also wrote how various marks on the body, CCTV outage, missing room's duplicate key, manager Disha Salyan's suicide, changing SIM cards among other probable evidences pointed towards the murder theory. The outspoken BJP leader had written a second letter to Prime Minister Modi requesting him to direct the Enforcement Directorate and NIA to investigate the matter. Earlier, Swamy had asked the Mumbai police to probe the induced or assisted suicide angle before taking a dig with 3 Khan Musketeers jibe, adding that they had infiltrated the police.
सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की हत्या के बाद कई चीजें बाहर निकल के आई हैं कुछ मैंने
Meanwhile, Kangana Ranaut, who's been leading the crusade for justice in the Sushant Singh Rajput case, has hit out at the Bollywood mafia yet again after arrest Kangana Ranaut was trending online. She wrote, and we quote, "Question still remains how deep are mafia's roots. Sushant was strategically cornered. Who all participated in this? Can Rhea alone control Mumbai police and influence their investigations?" In another set of tweets, Kangana's team pointed out that she had given proofs on national television about how Sushant was bullied and isolated. They further reiterated how the Queen actor was willing to return her Padma Shri award if proven wrong, and alleged that the Mumbai police was hiding from Kangana and not recording her statement. Entertainment Bureau, India Today.
Well, a lot's been going on in the Sushant Singh Rajput investigation, suicide investigation. Here's the lowdown.
Accused of abetting her boyfriend's suicide, cheating, theft and betrayal, Rhea Chakravarti has finally broken her silence. In a 20-second video released by her legal team, Rhea, dressed in white and sitting on a chair, looked distraught as she made an emotional appeal.
I have immense faith in God and the judiciary. I believe that I will get justice. Even though a lot of horrible things are being said about me in the electronic media, I refrain from commenting on the advice of my lawyers, as the matter is sub judice. Satyamir Jayate, the truth shall prevail.
Meanwhile, the Supreme Court refused urgent hearing of Rhea's plea seeking transfer of probe from Bihar to Mumbai. The matter will now be heard on Tuesday. Rhea has claimed that Sushant's brother-in-law, who is an ADG in Haryana Police, is behind the FIR filed by Bihar Police. She also says that Sushant's close friend Siddharth Pithani was asked by the late actor's family to testify against her. Siddharth Pithani, meanwhile, in a conversation with India Today, has revealed that Sushant Singh Rajput was upset after his former manager Disha Salya committed suicide. He says blind items linking Sushant to Disha affected the actor even more.
He was upset from Disha's point of view. वो जो Disha का जो incident हुआ था ना, तो he was very upset that media and the whole like blind items उनके ऊपर लिख रहे थे और उनके हर post पे सुशांत सिंह का नाम ही आ रहा था. Media is saying कि Sushant Singh Rajput's manager had committed suicide. Then this news was very it upsetted him very much.
Politics too continues to rage on after the death of the actor. Bihar Deputy Chief Minister has accused the Mumbai police of obstructing investigation in the case and has demanded a CBI probe. The Maharashtra government, on its part, maintains that there is no need for a central agency to probe what killed Sushant Singh Rajput. Bureau Report, India Today.
Subramanian Swamy and Kangana Ranaut claim that the Mumbai police is trying to shield the biggest names from Bollywood. But the Mumbai police have already questioned almost the entire industry. Here's what they found out.
March 2019, a reply by late actor Sushant Singh Rajput pleased a fan to watch his film Son Chidiya and wrote, "Arey, but if you don't watch it, then they would throw me out of Bollywood. I have no godfather. I've made you all my gods and fathers. Watch it at least if you wish I do survive in Bollywood. Much love and regards." This forgotten comment would come back to haunt the film industry after Sushant Singh Rajput passed away on 14th of June. Who was Sushant referring to when he said he would be thrown out of the industry? What made Sushant believe that he would not survive in the film industry? After delivering blockbusters such as MS Dhoni in 2016, Sushant's career went south. He did have a huge hit in Chichore in September 2019, but with no promising projects in hand, after Sushant's dream project Pani was shelved due to creative differences between Shekhar Kapoor and Aditya Chopra, Sushant's future in the glittering movie world seemed bleak. The Mumbai police summoned the biggest names from the film industry. Over 40 people in connection with the case were questioned. His filmmaker Mahesh Bhatt with regards to Sushant Singh Rajput's death by suicide at the Bandra police station for about 2 hours. But in a statement said that Sushant was never offered a lead role in the film Sarak 2. He said Sushant had expressed his wish to work in the film, but it was always to be made with Sanjay Dutt in the lead role. Bhatt also denied having any discussion with Sushant on a professional front. Mumbai police has also sought a copy of the contract agreement between Karan Johar's Dharma Productions and Sushant Singh Rajput for the film Drive. Cops questioned Dharma Productions CEO Apurva Mehta, and sources told India Today that Karan Johar was next on the list. Earlier it was reported that Kejor's manager would be called in for the probe, which didn't go down too well with Kangana Ranaut, who wanted Karan Johar to be called instead of his manager or CEO. A series of tweets from Team Kangana Ranaut handle said, "So Karan Johar's manager is summoned, but not Aditya Thackeray's best friend Karan Johar." Mumbai police stopped making a joke of SSR murder investigations. After questioning film critic to probe if the negative ratings and articles by Masant were on behest of some powerful people in the industry, filmmaker Rumi Jaffrey, who was to direct a romantic comedy with Sushant and his girlfriend Rhea Chakraborty, Mumbai police has officially summoned Kangana Ranaut to record her statement in connection with his death by suicide. The summon has been sent through post to her Manali address, where she's been staying since the lockdown was announced. Kangana's sister and spokesperson Rangoli Chandel had earlier shared a screenshot of the conversation with Mumbai police on social media, stating that the actress is willing to record her statement in Sushant's case, but the investigating officers haven't responded. Meanwhile, Mumbai police have also questioned filmmaker Sanjay Leela Bhansali and YRF head honcho Aditya Chopra in connection with the case. Bhansali revealed that he had not spoken to Sushant since 2016 and he was not close to the late actor. Sanjay also said he wasn't aware of his depression. Mumbai police confirmed that Bhansali was planning to take the actor in as many as 4 of his films, including Ram Leela and Bajirao Mastani. However, due to unavailability of his dates, the film went to other actors. It is believed that Sushant's dates were allotted to Yash Raj Films' Pani to be directed by Shekhar Kapoor at that point in time. However, the investigating team probing the death of the late actor pointed out that the statement of filmmaker Bhansali and Aditya Chopra differ. Chopra, who recorded his statement at Versova police station in Mumbai, is reported to have revealed that Bhansali never approached YRF to allow Sushant to work in Bajirao Mastani. Chopra in his statement also added that YRF had allowed Sushant to work on the film MS Dhoni, The Untold Story, and hence there wasn't any issue in allowing him to work for other filmmakers.
तेरे सिक्कों की छनछन से मेरे हवा की कीमत कम हो रही है बका। वाह वाह बका वाह, क्या लाइन बोली है यार।
मैं लिख लेता हूँ।
तू बस स्टैटिस्टिक्स में घुसा रहे।
बॉयज का मोरल देखा है, और क्रिकेट कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है।
Entertainment Bureau, India Today.
गेम तो ऑन है बॉस।
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.